This is why we're the contractor's choice. We've got Clenergy, Fuuse and Monta, all charge point operators giving insights to the whole industry. We deliver. We understand the market, we understand the industry, but more importantly, we're showing the support.
Hi, I'm Will, the CEO of Clenergy EV. It's great to be here at Rolec today. We've been giving some training to the installers. It's great to share our knowledge and also spend some time with Rolec employees and give them a deep understanding of how Clenergy can help their installer clients.
Hi, I'm Emily from Fuuse. I'm here in partnership with Rolec to educate the Rolec team, the contractors and installers that we're working with about our software, how they can make more money from the platform and all the great features that we can offer them.
Hey, I'm Richard from Monta. I'm here this week to talk to our partner Rolec about all of our features and do some training. Also here to talk to their contractors and show them all of the great features that Monta has.